farm looks amazing!
Wow.
Look at everything! I can't wait to see the animals!
Welcome to my farm.
Thank you for inviting us. You're welcome, Tom. Come on in and meet the family. Wow, there are so many animals here. Let's explore the farm. The farm. Hello, little chickens. They are so cute.
They look very happy.
The horse is very gentle. The horse likes you. The horse likes you.
The cows are beautiful. Wow. Look at that big one.
Oh, no. Dad? What happened?
My baby lamb is missing.
Her name is Daisy. She's just the sweetest little thing.
We will help find her.
Thank you very much.
The rescue mission started.
Daisy, where are you? Daisy, come out.
Let's keep looking. We have to find it.
We will find her.
Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Look! Footprints! These must be Daisy's. They look just like hers. We have to go get her.
Good job, Emma. Let's follow them.
Stay together.
Stay together.
Stay together. Stay together.
The tracks continued.
Keep moving. We're getting closer.
Wait, I hear something. Bah! Bah! It's Daisy!
This way.
There she is!
Bah! Bah! Bah!
Don't worry, Daisy. I'm here now. Everything's gonna be all right.
We are here to help.
She's free!
Good girl, Daisy. I was so worried.
We did it! Yes, we did.
You saved Daisy.
Thank you, Farmer Jack. Wow, thanks. You're welcome.
We had a wonderful day. Wonderful day.
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Helping Daisy was the best part.
It sure was, Tom.
She's safe now.